Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change DPI on mouse. That means the sensitivity. So actually guys, to do that you will need to click on the Windows icon that's located on your taskbar, and after that just go and hit settings. After that everyone, as you can see we have a left hand menu, and right there I just want you to go and select the third option, Bluetooth and devices. Then everyone, all you need to do is to scroll down just a bit and to select or to click on the mouse option. So right here everyone, as you can see we have the mouse pointer speed, and that's the DPI. So actually guys, what I want you to do right here is just to adjust your DPI. So let's consider that I put it on the middle. As you can see, you can slower it or even make it faster, right? So as you can see everybody, this is the DPI, and right here where you can adjust it. So that's it everybody, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.